guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can slow down any videos from your YouTube shorts feed. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your YouTube, and now as usual go to your shorts. And suppose I want to slow down this short video, all you have to do is first like this video, then leave, and now go to library on the bottom of your right screen. Go to library, and here click the liked videos option, and this is the shorts I previously liked. Then select it again, and here on the top of your right screen you can see the gear icon, that is the setting icon. Click that option, and now here is the option playback speed. Click that. Here are different types of playback speed option. You can slow it down to 0.5x, 0.2.5x, or 0.7.5x. I'm gonna select this one, 0.5x, and then just click OK. As you can see, the shorts is now slow down. In this way you can slow down any short video.